Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this fun pop of color in the inner corner eyeshadow tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I completed this look or how I created this look, go ahead and stay tuned and let's get started. So to start this makeup tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some translucent powder underneath my eyes because last time I filmed a tutorial, and this one might actually go up before that one, I had a lot of fallout and it kind of stained underneath my eyes. So this is going to make it easier to sweep away any fallout. So I'm just applying just a little bit of powder around my nose, under my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Inglot palette. I have a bunch of different shades in here. I don't have shade names. They have numbers on the back, but they're stuck in here pretty good. But I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this second brown one. It's a nice, really pretty, like milk chocolate shade. And I'm going to take that into the crease using a fluffy blending brush from Farrah. Once I have that shade down, I'm going to go in with the shade right next to it. This is a little bit more cool tone. It's still like a chocolatey brown shade, but it's much cooler toned. So I'm just going to apply this the same way that I applied the last shade, just right into the crease. Once I have that, I'm going to go in with this super dark brown shade right here, and I'm just going to kind of deepen up the outer V. Alright, after that I'm going to go in with this magnetic eye color from Nude Sticks in the shade Moon, and I'm going to apply this to the inner portion of my eyes to create a nice waxy base so that if my eyes start watering, it's not going to ruin the whole look. After that, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's a nice kind of flesh tone shade with gold sparkle in it, and I'm just going to apply this using this brush from SL Miss Glam, just a flat shader brush. Then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and just blend out the edges. I didn't apply any more color to it, just using whatever colors left on it. So once that is complete, what I want to do is use this bright blue shade down here. It's very metallic, very shimmery. It's like a cornflower type blue, and I'm going to be using this brush that I didn't clean off. It's got yellow eyeshadow on it, and it's just a mini flat brush from Luxie. It's a Luxie 151, and I'm just going to use this to apply that blue shade right into the inner corner of the eye. Then I'm going to go in with my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. You guys know that I love this for pops of color. I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's a nice kind of teal turquoise blue. Just lightly dip into that just to kind of brighten this up a little bit. And then going back into the same Inglot shade, the blue one. Once that is completed, I'm gonna go ahead and use my small flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that deep chocolate brown shade that we used to carve out the outer V, and I'm just gonna sweep this underneath my lash line. Right next to that, I'm gonna be using this blue from the BH Cosmetics palette, and it's just a really bright blue. Once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade from the BH palette. This is like a highlight transformer shade. I'm gonna use this to highlight under my brow bone and also my inner corner, just using a dome shaped brush from BH. Now I'm just gonna use this fluffy powder brush from BH Cosmetics to sweep away the excess. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and liner off camera, and I'll come back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, so this is the completed makeup look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's very fun and different. I've been doing a lot of pops of yellow in the inner corner. I know that that's super popular right now. I started doing that months ago, probably before it became super popular, but I decided to kind of change it up a little bit and go with a more frosty, bright blue. And I think it's very fun. I really like this eye look. I don't think it's too overpowering or overbearing or overwhelming or anything like that. I just think it's something fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Go ahead and let me know down below what kind of looks you would like to see me create, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.